challenging searches and issues that arise in drug cases. It's a fact that most drug prosecutions involve some kind of a seizure. Typically, it's a seizure from a place where drugs are being secreted or hidden, or possibly where they're being transported. You come across a lot of search and seizure issues when you're dealing with people who are pulled over on the highway, and searches come about, and some kind of contraband is recovered. Another area where you see this is when a search warrant is executed on a home or an apartment. The way that law enforcement frequently tries to investigate seizures from a home or an apartment is by doing something called a controlled buy, where they send a cooperating person or an undercover agent in to make drug purchases so that they can apply to a judge for a search warrant to search a building or a home. There are a lot of issues that can come up there. One of the issues is the scope of the search. What area are the police allowed to go into? What are they allowed to search for? Another thing that can come up is whether or not there is sufficient information being provided to a judge to allow a search warrant to issue. There are also some other issues, like whether or not, even if a search was conducted illegally, the officer was acting in good faith. It's a tricky and somewhat sophisticated area, and it's not something that the average citizen is going to be able to navigate on their own. You need a competent and experienced attorney to deal with those kinds of issues.